Welcome to Lester Lampert. I'm David Lampert. My father, Lester, and I design and make most of our own jewelry right here on Oak Street, 57 East Oak. We're going to show you how we do it and what makes us special. Unlike pretty much any jewelry store anywhere, you're going to see where we actually manufacture and make our own jewelry, and it's right here downstairs. I'm about to show you the first part of our creative process, which is the sketching of an item of jewelry for a custom piece. Yeah, many times it starts out as just a very rough idea. I'm going to draw a ring today that incorporates emerald cut diamonds and radiant cut diamonds. Well, as I draw, I found that I draw best in conversation with somebody. Listening to their thoughts and ideas, I come up with ideas to work into the sketch. And I usually draw in perspective as opposed to just a head-on shot or a side view to get across the details that I'm trying to portray. We are sitting in my office where I often take designs that I've created or that my father's created and reinterpret it in a 3D CAD program. This allows us to play with different elements of the model as well as take the finished file and send it off for milling or growing on a growing machine to end up with a finished wax. As you can see, Eva is pretty far along on this one. We've had conversations about how it should look and the look and feel, and with details on the actual sketch, a wax comes to life. This is the phase of our manufacturing process where we take the wax model and we actually pick the stones that are going to go in it. Every diamond that goes in every piece of our jewelry is looped to meet our quality standards. And in a ring like this, they're going to be perfectly matched all the way around. It is an integral part to making a Lester Lampert piece of jewelry. This is the casting phase of production. This is where we are going to take that wax mold and convert it into a rough platinum casting. This is done at extremely high temperatures, very bright flame, hence the goggles, and it's very dynamic to watch, and we do it all at 57 East Oak Street. So after the casting process, where we have a rough casting, it comes to one of our master jewelers. Here we have Jose, who's been with us over 25 years. And as you can see, he's working a file, he's taking out the roughness from the mounting, and he's basically going to get this rough casting to a phase ready for the next stage, which would be the diamond setting. So here we are in the stone setting stage of our manufacturing. Once again, everything you're seeing is done here at 57 East Oak Street. We take great pride in the fact that everything is done on premise. Pedro here is using a lap tool to get some real sharp edges out of the piece. Stones have been set, the wax has been carved, it's been cast, it's been filed. Here's where we bring it alive and make it look beautiful. Very much a learned skill. We've been doing it for many, many years. Piece, the final touch and beauty it should have. The final phase of making a fine piece of jewelry is obviously delivering it to the client. And at Lester Lampert, we are always quite proud of our pieces, and everything we make comes in a great presentation box, and more importantly, the piece of jewelry is always beautiful. And here it is, just like the picture. That's it, start to finish. All done right here in the store.